Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to Google like a pro. Yes, how to Google like a pro. Sometimes you go to the search query and search for something and probably get something different or not specifically what you want. But with the aid of this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a specific thing and get a specific answer to what you're looking for, not a jumble so many queries that will come out as a result. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the notification bell to get notified. So to start, first of all, you need to search specifically. Now let's say you want to search for a specific site. Let's say I want to search for Reddit. I want to read about Python on Reddit. So what I would do is you type sites, this, then you say Reddit, there. Let's say I want to read about Python, then you click on search. So you can see specifically it took me to Reddit sites, then not just Reddit sites, everything about Python on Reddit. Look at this, you can see Reddit, I will learn Python, whatever Python, everything that has to do with Python on this site. You can decide to do the same thing on Facebook. Let's say sites, you see Facebook, so yeah, you're really going to get a lot out of this video. For watching, just watch to the end. I'll keep the best for the last. So I'll say Facebook, Facebook, oh my god, Facebook. Okay, you're going to see it's going to bring everything on Facebook related to what Python, both the videos. You can see everything on Facebook related to Python. So you can do that with YouTube channel. If you want to search for a specific word or specific niche or something that has to do with a particular keywords, you can just do sites.this, the name of the site, then the query you want to search for. So on number 2, tips for the day, let me come down here. Okay, still on query search. Let me just go to .com. All this, okay. Want a blank double page, just where you get it when you go the first time. So now let's say we want to search for a particular image site. Yes, a particular image. Let's say I want to search for Mr. Bean animated geometry 500 by 500. Then I'm going to search. So you see any of these pictures and select is going to be 500 by 50 because you can see we're searching specifically for that. Let me click this so you see. Image, so you see everything well. So under image you're going to get all these, and let me just select this. We're going to see the trick now. My network is a little bit slow, so all the pictures I have there, they're going to give you the value of 500 by 500, which is the height and the width of the image. It's going to be 500 by 500. So it's kind of taking much time. Okay, this is what I'm waiting for. So it's going to display the picture over here with the actual size I'm looking for. So when you download this picture, you're going to get it for 500 by 500. Okay, so that's that. The next trick I'm going to show you is how to combine search. Yes, how to combine search. Okay, let's assume I'm looking for Python and PHP courses. So what I'm going to do is I'll say Python, and I'm going to write the and in capital letter. That's how you use the query command, and you're going to type PHP, click on enter. So anywhere you're going to see a search query will be where these two languages are used. So you can see Python versus PHP. If you go down with it to bit, you're going to see Python versus PHP. You're going to see it down here as well. Everywhere these queries being used, you're going to see it. So that's that for that. How to combine search. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so that you get more interesting video like this. The next query should be how to use the before and after search. Yes, the before and after search. I'm going to, let me show you. I'm going to say Python tutorials. Then I'm going to say after. Now let's assume I'm looking for a particular search for within a specific date. You know, okay, let me use 2021 so that you get the gist. 2021. When I search for Python tutorial after 2021, definitely we're saying 2022, right? So I'm going to search for that, and you're going to see this is January 30. They made a video on that. These guys did the same thing, 2022. Every search query you're going to see will be with the same validation date of 2022 upward, because you can see this 2023 here. So you get the 2022 first. So this is how you go about it. If I change this, let me just remove this after. You see the differences. Let me duplicate this screen. Let me just duplicate the search so that you compare the both search, so you see what I'm trying to talk about. So you can see I'll just remove the after 2021, sorry. Just going to delete that, and I'm going to search for it. I'm going to see it's going to give me tons of different So you can see we have 2020, we have 2019, we have which year we're going to get different year. That's what I'm saying. But if you want to search for a specific, let's assume you're going for a tutorial and there's an update, you want to go straightly to the update, you just put the date and it's going to search within the range. And the last on my list here is how to search for a specific file type. Yes, how to search for a specific file type. I'm going to show you. It will be handy for those people doing research and other things like download music or something. So I'm going to say file type without space. Then of course you have this there. Then you call it let's assume I'm looking for a PDF file. Now what's the name of the file? Let's say C data structure Yeah, so I'm going to search for it. So you can see all the query search I have here that are in PDF format. You can see this is right here. This is PDF. This is PDF. This is PDF. So everything you're going to get on that topic or specific topic you search is going to be in PDF. So there's no need looking for books. You don't know where to get them. This is the fastest way to get your books online. So you can see, first of all, you have to bring the query search, the file type, and the title. For instance, let's say we want to go for MP3 or something. Let's say MP3. I doubt it is MP3.